Friends, in this video the man is making a golden mug with a hard metal pipe. He takes the pipe and turns into the jigsaw. So if you are new on my video, please subscribe my channel, like the video, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to press bell icon for more videos like this. Let's start and see how the man is making a golden mug and see the process. And don't forget to press bell icon and stay tuned with me. Let's see how to make it.